We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
You know, I just want to say I love you guys, and I'm thankful for you guys, but guess what I had to endure trying to get these cards to open for you guys? Check this out. Parental advisory. So we're on our way to Walmart, guys, to try to find some sports cards, and this is the view we see the entire way. Little butt crack Billy riding his motorcycle down the road. All right, y'all, who's ready for a sports card break? This is going to be epic. Hang tight. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm back with another one of these card rips. As you can see, I have 2 packs of 2020 Panini Contenders draft picks. What we're really doing is we're going after one of these guys on the package here. You do get premium edition green shimmer autographs in this product. Now, this is a product that probably will not hold its value very well, so I want to get in and out with this as quick as possible. Once these guys end up in a pro uniform, that's going to be the much more desirable card, but I couldn't not crack basketball cards when I found them at the store. So, without further ado, guys, let's get into this. Come on, baby. Give me an autograph. Oh! Epic failure, guys. Epic failure. Oh, that's a shiny one. It's an RJ Barrett. Oh, dang, there's several shiny ones. So now that we're readjusted, let's take a look at these because there are some nice cards here. We got my man from UCLA now playing for the Cleveland Cavaliers, a.k.a. the best team in all of basketball. Just kidding. They are to me. That is gorgeous. Next, we have now a second-year RJ Barrett. That's really nice. That would have been sick if that was a first year. Okay, so we got the green is a Mike Bibby. We got a Devin Booker. Kevin Durant. JJ Redick. A lot of dookies. Got Bradley Beal, Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid. Look at them glasses. That's what I'm talking about. Jaylen Brown, Triple J. Huge on this dude. Big time potential alongside Ja Morant. Dame Dollar. Show me some rookies. Zach LaVine. Russell Westbrook. Chris Paul. Little CP3 action. There we go. Here's a rookie. We got a Jaden McDaniels front row seat. So that is a rookie. Let me set that aside. Over here we have a Jeremy Lamb. And Vernon Carey, I believe, is also a rookie. All right, so we got only 2 rookies out of that first pack. We did, like I said, get the 1 green parallel, and then we got these 2 just absolutely sick looking cards there as well. So let's go into this next pack, guys. Alright, already getting a duplicate. We got Devin Booker. I guess it's a decent duplicate to get, though. Another duplicate. We got Kevin Durant. Another dupe, we have J.J. Redick. Another dupe, we have Bradley Beal. This must not be that big of a set. Another dupe, we have Chris Middleton. Another dupe, we have Joel Embiid. Am I opening the same pack? Another dupe, we have Jaylen Brown. Another dupe, we have Triple J. I think this might be the exact same pack. Did I just go back in time and reverse things? Another dupe, we have Dame Dalla. Another dupe, we have Zach LaVine. Another dupe, we have Russell Westbrook. Legitimately another dupe, we have Chris Paul. This is insane, guys. All right, here we go. There's a rookie. There's Cole Anthony, and we do not have him yet, so that is a nice one. Point guard out of North Carolina. That's low-key a pretty decent card to pull. I'm happy with that. Looks to be in nice condition. Pretty well centered. Nice sharp corners. Got to give a big shout out to my man, Cajun Reseller. Got the LSU mascot right there. You know you want that, Cajun. You want that, bro? I'll send that to you. Mike the Tiger. Justin Jackson. So we have a backwards card here. Hopefully that means it's an auto. Oh, look at that. That D Rose. Oh, we did get an auto. Rayshawn Hammonds from Georgia. Glad that we got an auto, guys. And it's a green. So I wonder if this is our one green per box and it's the auto. It's kind of cool. Then we got that D Rose. And DeMar DeRozan. I love these little parallels. But there are so many as far as the base card goes of duplicate cards. It's insane. I'm guessing this winning ticket here is a insert. As I'm guessing that's probably an insert as well. Then there's these base, there's just so many duplicates. It's insane. I almost got the same pack twice when you count that. Let me show you a bit of the recap here. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve them first. So here's the stuff, guys, that I deem to be recap worthy. So we did pull some rookies. We got a Jaden McDaniels. We got Vernon Carey Jr. Cole Anthony, who I think is probably the best rookie that we pulled. We did get a Mike Bibby. This is green, just a insert. Nothing, you know, crazy. But it was green, so I stuck it there. Now, these are the parallels that we got that are pretty nice as well. We got a DeRozan, nothing insane. D-Rose, nothing insane. We did get Kevin Love that I'm going to throw on my PC because my man plays for the Cavs. Got an R.J. Barrett. And the Mac Daddy of the break, we got that Rayshawn Hammonds auto right there. But guys, do me a favor, let me know what card was your favorite in this break, because you could potentially win it. Also, guys, if you want to check out my eBay store, I do put a bunch of cards and stuff in there all the time. Feel free to go buy stuff anytime you want. No pressure. I don't expect anyone to buy stuff from me, but there is that option as well. I'll put the link for that down in the description also. Without further ado, let me show you the giveaway winner from the last card opening video I did. All right, guys, the winner from the last video, the Mosaic football break, is ATJH Travels. Congratulations, hit me up and I will hook you up with a card. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of this break. I really appreciate all the support. I'll see you in the next one. May God bless.